Okay, now it is recording properly. Hello, hello. Mic is also working. Let us fuck off from here. Good morning, internet. Welcome back to another vlog, another moto vlog, which is going to be a solo ride, Hyderabad to Udupi, Manipal, approximately 750 to 80 kilometers. Yes, that is the distance we are covering today. It's going to be a non-stop ride. Good morning, guys. We have covered 190 kilometers till now, Hyderabad, and we are around Kurnool right now. We took our first stop, जहाँ पे we fueled up and took a break. 190 is a good distance. (190 kilometer), a good distance. Thank you, Anna. We left at 5 and I thought कि late हो जाएगा and everything, but it kind of makes sense. I mean, it's all right that I left at 5 क्योंकि when I was leaving and when I was in NH44 around 5:45 or 6 के आसपास, it's pitch dark where I couldn't see anything and it was actually difficult for me to ride, and because I also don't have fog lights मेरे bike में, so it became a little difficult. So अगर मैं 334 को निकलता तो और थोड़ा और मुश्किल होता. So I think it makes sense कि 5 बजे तक निकलना ठीक है, it's not a problem. Now we have covered 190 kilometers and I did not take much video or did much vlogging of the initial part क्योंकि मतलब I wanted to show you guys towards the end of the vlog, which is like, you know, Karnataka का outskirts side में या फिर where there is more greenery, because this is our majorly highway है. So I wanted to show you that part, इसलिए मैं वहाँ का मैंने ज़्यादा वीडियो बनाया नहीं. Yes, we have to cover another 562 kilometers from here and it's showing 7:45 PM. तो I think we'll reach max by 8 से ज़्यादा लेट होना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि इससे पहले when I was riding it was showing 7:13, but then we took a break of 15 मिनट तो ले ही लिया होगा मैंने, एक 15-20 मिनट का ब्रेक मैंने लिया होगा शायद, because I drank tea. I did not eat anything because I don't want to eat anything right now. I'll eat something post 10 के बाद I'll try to eat, and I'll keep it light and I'll not eat anything heavy or something. I'll just keep it light enough to give me energy, and towards the end, maybe end of the ride, I will be drinking a coffee or a Red Bull or something to help me ride through it. So yes guys, I'm very excited, but I took the longer route क्योंकि that was better in terms of road quality and everything जो Google ने दिखाया, plus what I did my research on by asking people around and then figuring out myself as well. So yes, woohoo, excited. This time I got a new Rhinox Advento Pro riding pants. ठीक है, I already have jackets, helmet और gloves वगैरह तो है. Plus I got a new Viatara tail bag. Vaitaraka, I got a tail bag. It's around 35 liters tail bag, which has enough space for my luggage for 4 days, around 4 days trip. And I'm carrying my normal bag, which is a laptop bag, basically. It's a laptop bag that I'm carrying because I need to carry it for my work. फिर भी there is some work here and there, small tasks that I might have to finish. So इसके लिए I'm just carrying a laptop. I thought कि I'll stop at 100 kilometers. फिर मेरे को लगा कि 100 कर लिया है तो 150 कर लेते, क्योंकि माई फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन वॉज कुरनूल, कि कुरनूल पे जाके आई टेक माई कुरनूल पे जाके आई टेक माई स्टॉप, ठीक है, वहाँ पे। और कुरनूल आ गया, उसके बाद आ गया एज इन आई थॉट आई विल टेक माई स्टॉप नियर कुरनूल एट 150 इश। फिर पहले 100 सोचा था, फिर 150 गया, फिर 160, 170। फिर मैं आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर अ प्लेस, क्योंकि आई एम राइडिंग सोलो दिस टाइम। तो बाइक का भी थोड़ा था, बाइक में सामान भी था, तो आई हैड टू बी मोर केयरफुल। आई थिंक बाइक राइडिंग, the one of the advantages, there are a lot, but one of them is like you get to talk to people. There is no other way. Some random guy, he came up to me, he's like kahan se aa rahe ho, they'll start asking questions. It's nice. I get to know their perspective, I get to know something, I learn something new and all that, feels nice. Upper roads, I didn't even realize how fast I covered 120, 130 kilometers first starting का, पता ही नहीं चला when did I covered all that. ठीक है, it was easy, pretty easy. Also because क्योंकि I'm just starting the ride, so it was easy in that sense as well. And okay, ये क्या हो गया भाई? ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो फाइन, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, वन फ़ोन हियर, मेरा ओन फ़ोन इज़ इन माई पॉकेट, दोनों चार्ज पे है। आई हैव एवरीथिंग इन माई बैग, ग्लव्स, कैमरा, माई एवरीथिंग इज़ इन प्लेस टिल नाउ। Enjoying the ride. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog as well. If I'm very new to this, you guys support. So if you guys are liking it, or if you guys want getting inspired, or if you are a biker, or someone who is travel enthusiast, give it a follow. I'll try to post more regular vlogs, even though I'm just starting, so they might be on and off here and there, but will do my best. Ideally I should be reaching Manipal before or around 7:30, not more than that, क्योंकि मैंने वो टाइम लिया है, क्योंकि आई हैव गिवन दैट टू माई सेल्फ, सो आई वांट टू डू दैट, दैट्स इट। नॉट दैट आई एम नॉट एन्जॉइंग द राइड, ऐसा नहीं है कि जल्दीबाजी में आई एम राइडिंग fast and then not enjoying the journey and everything. I am doing it, but it's also a challenge that I want to conquer. Hello, mic is still connected. Hello, finally it is connected. I hope it shouldn't disconnect. Hello. Yes, it's recording as well. Hello. Finally the mic is connected. We are in, I don't know the name of the place, but the views are very cool. The weather is also very cool. We are at, yes, Tirthahalli, and it is between it is after Shimoga, and it is close to Agumbe. Yes, town panchayat Tirthahalli. Correct. So how can I be wrong? I can never be wrong, bro. Yes, so guys, finally I think the mic is connected now, and we have covered a good amount of distance. Firstly, I would like to say that I am very proud of myself. क्या चलाया मैंने भाई, क्या चलाया मैंने, मेरा बैटरी भी मेरा डेटा भी अभी जाना है। So yes, guys, we covered a good amount of distance at a very short span of time earlier in the morning. I did not stop for lunch or anything. I directly had my breakfast तो किया ही नहीं मैंने, and lunch I had my lunch at 4 or something. That's not lunch लेकिन ठीक है। और उसके before and I took chai break. I drank coconut water. अरे भाई 6 बजने वाला है, अंधेरा हो जाएगा। I have to ride a little fast. Can't afford to cross Agumbe in the night. I actually all the way from Hyderabad till Manipal itself, I think if you take the right route, basically if you are using some other route, the roads might be pretty bad, because I've seen in few videos YouTube mein. But if you take this route, the one that I took, it's pretty good actually. There is complete highway. You can easily cruise at 115 120 on your bike. And then which route I took, I think Raichur. From Raichur I went to Bellary, then Shimoga, that route. Nice. So that route is pretty good. I look at the roads, dude, look at the roads. What else do you need in your life if you have a bike and you can fucking ride the bike in these roads, है ना? और कुछ चाहिए तुमको? मेरे को तो नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हारा नहीं पता मेरे को। ये तो मैं नहीं डालूंगा। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। एंड वन मोर थिंग, आई डिड नॉट गेट टायर्ड एट ऑल। दैट वॉज वेरी डिफरेंट. I did not expect it, but I didn't get tired. I'm still energized. The same, only in the afternoon around I think 3:30 or 4, before I had my curd rice, I was a little sleepy, not much, but still a very little sleepy. But I did not get tired though. I am still energized since morning. I am not tired. I think that's also because of the roads as well. If the roads are pretty good, you will not get tired. And I actually wanted to cover this part of the vlog more. Yes, I wanted to show this part more in the vlog because it has more views, and this is something that I've not shown. क्योंकि हम्पी वाले vlog में I've shown a little bit of route from Hyderabad towards Karnataka highway, and that's there. So that's why I wanted to show you this route because of the views and because of how peaceful it is. I love this. I did not want to use this phone यहाँ पे यार. This is my primary phone. तो इसमें वाइब्रेशन की वजह से ना it affects the camera. I was not able to take many pictures क्योंकि I was solo और first time solo कर रहा हूँ, तो बीच में I am getting nervous कि क्या पूछूँ अगर किसी को. I still asked the guy कि भाई एक फ़ोटो ले ले मेरी. He took one. उसको लेने नहीं आया, वो मैं लड़की लग रहा हूँ उस फ़ोटो में, लेकिन ठीक है. He did his best. अगर टाइम होता ना, मैं गाड़ी लेके सीधा ऊपर चढ़ा देता. मैं ये तो ऊपर ही जाने बोल रही है. नहीं सॉरी, वहाँ पर थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर वगैरह करके आता. क्या है करना, टाइम और पैसा ये दोनों होता तो अभी दोनों ही नहीं है. दो मतलब लिमिटेड है. I changed my brake pads. I thank God I changed my brake pads. The amount of close calls I had today. ब्रेक पैड्स तो चेंज करना ही था. अच्छा हुआ कर लिया, नहीं तो ब्रूम ब्रूम हो जाता. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी ऑल द हाउस हैज़, है ना, सारे जितने भी घर है और आर लाइक दिस. प्रॉब्ली बारिश की वजह से, आई डोंट नो, उतना जी के नहीं है मेरा. गाइस लुक एट दिस व्यू. ओह माय गॉड, लुक एट दिस व्यू. हे भगवान. हे भगवान मेरे को बचा ले. लेकिन ये रास्ता सुबह में इतना सुंदर दिखेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. I'll see if one of these days I can come here, record a vlog, and oh my god, it's so red. गाड़ियाँ तो आ रही है बीच बीच में. One, guys, my first hairpin. When it's not my first technically, but हाँ ऐसे कैमरा में vlog के टाइम पे ना, I think first. This place is known for king cobras. You guys know that? I think this is the third one. You can see it in the map, guys. अगर आपको मैप में दिख रहा है तो ये देखो, ये पूरा हेयरपिन बेंड्स है. It's so quiet. It's not cold, it's like warm. And this place, I don't know, this is probably fourth or fifth hairpin. So much fog. I'll come here one morning and I'll show it to you guys, pakka. One more hairpin bend. Scariest part of my ride is this place in the night. I don't know how did it rhyme, but